everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to helping you create the garden of your dreams. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever dreamed of having a bountiful vegetable garden, but thought you didn't have enough space? Or maybe you're tired of dealing with messy soil and weeds? Well, what if I told you there's a revolutionary way to grow fresh, delicious vegetables right in your own home? Today, we're diving into the incredible world of hydroponic vegetable gardens. This is the future of gardening, and it's easier and more beautiful than you might think. We'll be answering all your burning questions. What is hydroponics? What are the benefits? And most importantly, how can you decorate your hydroponic garden to make it a stunning focal point in your home? Let's get started. So, what exactly is a hydroponic vegetable garden? Simply put, it's a method of growing plants without using soil. Instead, plants are grown in a water-based mineral nutrient solution. The word hydroponics comes from the Greek words hydro, meaning water, and ponos, meaning labor. Essentially, you're working with water. In a hydroponic system, the plant's roots are either submerged directly in the nutrient solution or placed in an inert medium like rock wool or clay pellets that provide support. The system delivers all the necessary nutrients directly to the roots, allowing the plants to focus all their energy on growing big and strong. This method allows for incredible control over the plant's environment, leading to faster growth and higher yields. The benefits of having a hydroponic vegetable garden are truly game-changing. First, it's incredibly water efficient. Hydroponic systems use up to 90% less water than traditional soil-based gardening because the water is recirculated and reused. There's also no need for pesticides or herbicides since you're growing in a controlled, soil-free environment, which means healthier, cleaner vegetables for you and your family. Another huge advantage is space. Hydroponic systems can be stacked vertically, allowing you to grow a massive amount of food in a very small footprint, perfect for apartments, balconies, or even your kitchen counter. Because the plants get nutrients delivered directly to their roots, they grow significantly faster and produce a higher yield. You can harvest fresh vegetables all year round, regardless of the season or outdoor weather. It's gardening simplified with less mess, fewer pests, and more food. Now for the fun part, making your hydroponic garden a beautiful part of your home decor. The beauty of hydroponics is its flexibility. You can choose from sleek, modern designs to more rustic, natural-looking systems. For a contemporary look, opt for clean white or black vertical towers that can double as a living art installation. Place them in a well-lit corner of your living room or kitchen to create a vibrant green statement piece. If you prefer a rustic or bohemian vibe, consider using natural materials like bamboo for your frames or planting mediums. You can also incorporate ambient lighting, like LED grow lights that cast a warm glow, to highlight the greenery and make the space feel inviting. Don't forget about the containers. Choose stylish pots or basins that match your home's aesthetic. A well-designed hydroponic garden isn't just a place to grow food. It's a piece of living decor that brings a fresh, natural element into any room. And now for some inspiration. Here are our top 10 best hydroponic vegetable garden ideas, featuring some stunning setups to get your creativity flowing. One hydroponic tower garden. This vertical garden system is a fantastic space saver. Its tiered design allows for multiple plants to grow from a single base, making it perfect for patios or balconies. The white tower with its lush green and red lettuce plants creates a striking modern focal point. 2. Large-scale NFT system. This photo showcases a large-scale nutrient film technique, NFT system, ideal for producing a high volume of leafy greens. The long white channels are perfect for growing a variety of lettuce and other greens, providing a beautiful and organized display for a greenhouse or commercial setup. 3. Commercial greenhouse hydroponics. A large-scale hydroponic system within a commercial greenhouse setting. This setup shows rows of thriving basil and other greens. The clean, white channels and structured layout create a sense of order and abundance, demonstrating the efficiency and beauty of a professional hydroponic operation. 4. Tower farm hydroponics. This is another example of a large-scale vertical farm using hydroponic towers. The towering, lush plants with their vibrant green and deep red leaves create a stunning visual of vertical farming. This method maximizes growing space and looks incredibly impressive in a greenhouse environment. 5. Simple Outdoor NFT System. This simple, yet effective NFT system is a great example for an outdoor space. Rows of vibrant red and green lettuces flourish in the white channels, demonstrating that hydroponics can be both functional and beautiful. It's an easy-to-manage system that provides a fresh, colorful addition to a patio or deck. 6. Indoor Vertical Hydroponic System. A compact and stylish vertical garden designed for indoor use. This system features multiple pots arranged around a central light source, making it a perfect living decor piece for a kitchen. It allows you to grow herbs and vegetables right where you cook, adding both beauty and convenience. 7. Aquaponics System. This photo captures a great example of an aquaponics system, which combines hydroponics with aquaculture, raising fish. The plants grow in nutrient-rich water from the fish tank below. This symbiotic relationship creates a beautiful and sustainable self-sufficient garden that is both productive and visually interesting. 8. Spiraling Vertical Hydroponics. A highly creative and decorative hydroponic design. The spiraling white pipes create a visually dynamic and artistic structure, while the alternating green and red lettuce plants add color and life. This system is a beautiful example of how hydroponics can be integrated as a piece of living sculpture. 9. DIY PVC Pipe System. This picture shows a simple, effective hydroponic setup made from PVC pipes. The tiered, slope design allows for a continuous flow of nutrient solution, making it an efficient way to grow a variety of plants in a limited space. The structure is simple, clean, and a great DIY project. 10. Bamboo Wall System. A creative and rustic hydroponic setup using natural bamboo stalks. The plants are grown in holes drilled into the bamboo, creating a unique and visually appealing wall garden. This design blends modern technology with natural materials for a beautiful, earthy aesthetic. Now that you know what hydroponics is and why it's so beneficial, you're probably wondering, what should I grow? The good news is, a huge variety of vegetables thrive in a hydroponic environment. The key is to start with plants that are known for being easy and fast-growing, especially if you're a beginner. This will give you a quick and rewarding experience, building your confidence as you go. Generally, leafy greens and herbs are the best place to start because they don't require complex pollination and have a rapid growth cycle. But once you've got the hang of it, you can move on to larger, fruiting plants that will provide a bountiful harvest. Let's break down some of the best plants for your hydroponic vegetable garden. First, leafy greens. Lettuce, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are some of the easiest and most popular choices for hydroponics. They grow quickly and thrive in these systems. Second, herbs. Basil, mint, cilantro, and parsley are perfect for a hydroponic setup. They can be harvested continuously and add incredible flavor to your meals. Third, tomatoes. While they require a bit more support, tomatoes grow exceptionally well hydroponically. You can produce a steady supply of fresh, juicy tomatoes. Fourth, cucumbers. These vining plants can be trained to grow vertically, making them a great fit for a hydroponic system, especially with proper trellising. Fifth, bell peppers. Both sweet and hot peppers thrive in hydroponics and can produce a large harvest in a small space. Sixth, strawberries. Yes, you can grow delicious strawberries hydroponically. They are a fantastic addition to any system. Seventh, radishes. These root vegetables are surprisingly well suited for hydroponic growing and can be harvested quickly. So there you have it. Hydroponic vegetable gardens are not just a futuristic fad. They're a practical, beautiful, and sustainable way to grow fresh food right in your home. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, a small countertop system or a large vertical tower can bring so much joy, beauty, and health benefits into your life. The possibilities for design and function are endless, and we hope these amazing ideas have inspired you to start your very own soil-free journey. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content on beautiful garden designs and home decor, be sure to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Garden Decor Designs, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode. Let us know in the comments below which hydroponic idea was your favorite, or if you've already started your own. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.